I did sudden oak death, and sudden oak death is where a fungus goes onto an oak tree and just sort of eats it and cuts off its nutrients, so the tree dies. But other problems that are causing oaks to die are first when they absorb water or pull it up from the ground, it's contaminated with oils and gases, so they can't absorb CO2 very well, and that weakens them. So then when the fungus comes in, it can just kill it. And this is what the fungus looks like when it's first born, I guess. And then it spreads and multiplies, and then multiplies again. And then this is the last stage where it breaks off and gets blown to a tree or something, and then starts eating it. And then these are all different kinds of plants that they've been found on, that the disease has been found on, and has been
okay.
what? Ow. Killing all these. Oh, it's upside down. Shit. Upside down. This is basically the life cycle of the fungus. It just starts out and right here, that's when it's on the tree and starting to spread in. These are the little root thingies that are attaching it to the tree and holding it on. Different ways that they can spread are by the wind and by the leaves that they infect. These are areas that the sudden oak death has been found in. This red over here and over here is where it's getting really affected. The orange is where it's less, and then this tan area over here and down here and everywhere else is where it's not really affecting. This is where we live. It's an up-close picture. All the triangles is where it's really hitting hard. So we're in a big affected area. This picture of the oak trunk size. Morgan, you're not playing the drums. Neither are you, Roger. Since the rings, the distance apart from one ring to another shows how much growth they had. When they're out here and they're getting really skinny, that shows that its nutrients and water and everything was being cut off. So that can show scientists how long it took for the fungus to kill it. Okay.
Ouch.
Okay. Questions?
A tree.
Morgan?
What's this picture of the oak trunk?
That?
Yeah. I don't see any problem.
Because see how these rings are further apart? Well, you might not be able to see it from that far back, but
I can see it.
yeah, they're further apart than out here. They're really skinny and close together.
Yeah.
That's where their nutrients and water was cut off. They started to have less growth and or nothing. You know?
On the different stages of the fungus, what does that UN mean?
I don't know. That was just part of the picture.
Ah.
I guess that's how close in it was taken. That's how close it was.
A millionth of a meter.
Whoa. Close.
That is fair.
Why does a fungus eat the tree?
Because that's its food source. That's what it does.
Or why does it?
I don't know. I didn't go up to it and say, "Why are you eating the tree?"
Why do you have two maps of the United States with how much
I
sudden
don't
there
know.
is?
I just started comparing different.
But they're the same.
Mm,
Well, no, one of them's more complicated looking. But
yeah, there.
I think I understand how.
Yeah.
What's the picture of the earth and then it's
Oh, because I got that because oil and everything, and that's one of the problems. And just with different problems that are affecting our area and everywhere else. That's why I picked the little mini one. But that's the next one.
how does that have?
Yeah, did you mention the oil being a problem?
Yeah, oil and gases.
How does oil
because the oak tree absorbs water with oil and gases in it, and then it weakens it. And the fungus kills it. No, you.
Oh, like what are the main colors of the fungus?
It's usually like a bright red. Or red.
Right there on the bottom.
Yeah, reddish, orangish.
Woo!